a lot of mud.
Almost there. Clean. Barbie, can you please wash Butterscotch? She went in the mud.
Oh, no problem, Chelsea. The hose is right there. Let's wash her now.
Yay!
Here comes the water. Wash, wash, wash. And the other two hooves? Looks like she's happy. And on the rear legs? Pour, pour, pour. All done. She's all happy. Barbie, the horses look hungry. Let's feed them now. You're right, Stacy. Girls, how would you like to help me? The food is there.
Yeah, I want to help you. Hey, me too. We all want to help you.
Okay. Girls, I found some hay here. Let me bring it to you.
Yay! The hay is coming. Roll it down to us. Whoop, almost there. And yay! Now we're ready to feed the horses. Chelsea, you have to get off the hay because the horses are coming. Oh yeah, I knew that. I'm coming off now. Ooh, it's so funny when it eats. Yeah. So adorable.
This is normal for me. I always
Well,
come
it's so
here.
cool for us. Whoa, we never seen a horse eat. She eats big bites.
Come on, Ginger Snap. Why are you not eating?
I got a lot of hay. I can't even see. Whoa. Oh, I think I got it. Yay, now drop my hay. Eat some. Oh, I'm scared. It's eating the hay. So cool. and I like how it munches. It munches like slurp, slurp. It's so funny how horses eat.
Girls, come here with your little horses so they can eat apples and carrots.
Okay, Barbie. Ooh, look at these red, juicy apples. Do you want some sunflower? She's so cute eating. Aw, I think she loves the juicy red apples. I like apples too, so do I. I want to give my horse some carrots.
That's a good idea, Elsia.
I'm a little bit scared to feed it, but I'll do my best. I can do this. It's actually not that bad. Whoa, I dropped it, but it's okay. Horses love eating. I love when she neighs.
I think she's saying thank you to you, Elsia.
Look, our horses are really thirsty. Well, have a drink. They're drinking big gulps. Chelsea, you're funny as well. Ooh. Barbie, look at your horse. Tawny got dirty too.
Oh no, that's a lot of mud. We really need to wash her right now.
Yeah, right in this moment.
Not now, right now.
Yeah.
Turn on the hose and let's go. Here comes the water.
Ooh.
Okay, I think the first one is done. Here comes the second one.
Wash,
Perfect.
wash, wash.
Third hoof. Almost.
Clean.
And the last one. And now turn off the hose.
Yay,
All
she's
done.
all clean. Hooray.
All clean, Tawny. And now that you're clean, it's time to brush your mane so it looks really smooth. Wanna see?
Yeah, I wanna see.
Whoops.
Whoa, she has one tangly mane. I was about to
Yup.
say hair.
It is hair, but we call it a mane.
So cute.
Let's brush her tail too.
Okay. Her bum is kind of stinky. I better stand back a little. Just brush,
And
brush,
just about
brush.
done. Whoops, forgot this part. All done.
Yay! She's all clean.
I love you, Tawny. Wow, girls, looks like you had a really fun day, but it's time to go. Whoa, you're so dirty, girls.
Yeah, I'm really dirty.
You really need to take a bath when we get home, especially you, Elsia.
yeah, I do.
You're not the only one, girls. Look at my hair. It's so dirty.
Yeah, you need to take a shower,
Oh, Elsa, you
Mommy.
need extra shampoo. Yeah. All right, let's go, girls.
Yay! Goodbye, guys. Bye.
Hope you enjoyed.
Bye, Sunflower. We'll miss you, Strawberry. Bye.
Hope you had fun.
Bye.
I want to do a race next time with
Take
you.
care of your horses. Bye. Yeah, we had fun, and we will also come back. Bye.
Visit our channel and subscribe for more videos.